The Constitution of India. Preamble. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution.
Hello children, welcome back to social class. How are you all? Are you all doing good? Yes, I hope you have completed all the activities of the previous chapter, that is chapter number 6, and you are all ready to start with our new chapter in our volume 2. Yes, you can take your volume 2 of your social studio and we will start with the 7th chapter today. The 7th chapter is all about festivals and celebration. The name of the chapter is Festivals and Celebrations. So in this chapter we are going to discuss about many festivals and how they are celebrated in different parts of our country. So shall we start with the chapter? Yes, you can take the first page of your volume 2 and follow your textbook. Festivals and celebrations. The big question of the chapter is, how do festivals and celebrations bring people together? So the big question of the chapter is, how are the festivals bringing people together? എങ്ങനെയാണ് festivals രാജ്യത്തിൽ ഉള്ള people-നെ ഒന്നിച്ച് കൊണ്ടുവരുന്നത്? So you think about it, and when you go through the topics one by one, definitely we will get the answer for this big question. What is the overview of the chapter? Yes, this lesson focuses on the diverse traditions, festivals and celebrations in India, and also how festivals and celebrations bring people together. So one of the topic is how festivals are bringing people together. So when we discuss the topic, we will get the answer for our big question. So we will start the chapter with our pep activity. You can take page number 2 and do the activity. Festive India. The key question here is, how are Indian festivals and celebrations similar to and different from each other? So ഈ ടോപ്പിക്കിൻ്റെ കീ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ എന്താണ്? ഹൗ ആർ ദ ഫെസ്റ്റിവൽസ് ഡിഫറെൻറ്റ് ഫ്രം ഈച്ച് അതർ? എങ്ങനെയൊക്കെയാണ് ഫെസ്റ്റിവൽസ് ഒന്നിനും വെച്ച് വേറൊന്ന് ഡിഫറെൻറ്റും, ആൻഡ് വാട്ട് ആർ ദ സിമിലാരിറ്റീസ്? ഈ ഫെസ്റ്റിവൽസ് തമ്മിലുള്ള ഒരുമ, സിമിലാരിറ്റീസ് എന്തൊക്കെയാണെന്നാണ് ചോദിക്കുന്നത്. വെൻ വി കംപ്ലീറ്റ് ദിസ് ടോപ്പിക് വി വിൽ ബി ഏബിൾ ടു ഗെറ്റ് ദി ആൻസർ ഫോർ ദിസ് കീ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. So our PEP activity is activity number 7.1. Figure 1 shows the cover page of a book. Give a suitable title for the book in the box provided. Observe the figure that is given in page number 2, figure 1. ഈ ഒരു പിക്ചർ തന്നിരിക്കുന്നത് ഒരു ബുക്കിൻ്റെ കവർ പേജാണ്. ഓക്കെ, സോ വാട്ട് ക്യാൻ യു നെയിം ദ ബുക്ക്? ബുക്കിന് എന്തായിരിക്കും അപ്പോൾ ടൈറ്റിൽ കൊടുക്കാൻ പറ്റുക? So observe the picture. What all pictures can you see here? You can see people bursting crackers, and few people are wishing each other, and you can see the picture of a church and also a harvest festival. So what title can you give here? Yes, you can give Festivals of India, or you can give people and festivals, or you can also write festive India, which is the name of our topic. Okay. So on the next page, page number 3, you have another question. Can you identify the festivals represented in figure 1? Name them in the given table. Mention something in each picture that helped you identify the festival. An example has been provided. So you can identify some festivals from the picture. So the first one they have given as Deepavali, and how we understood that it is a festival of Deepavali? Yes, they are bursting crackers there. So the clue you can write there is crackers. The next one you can write about Ramzan. Ramzan is a festival, and what clue you got? Yes, the picture of a mosque. And Christmas. Christmas, the clue is church and the crackers. And the last one is Pongal. We can see the picture of sugarcane, pots, cow and other things. So you can write these things as the clue. So you are clear with the activity. Now we will continue with the chapter in page number 3. A festival is an event celebrated by a group of people. It is a time when people come together and rejoice. Festivals can be of different types. So what are festivals? Festival is an event that is celebrated by a group of people. A group of people ഒന്നിച്ച് celebrate ചെയ്യുന്ന ഒരു ഇവന്റിനെയാണ് നമ്മൾ ഫെസ്റ്റിവൽ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. During these festivals, what are the people doing? The people are coming together. ഓരോരുത്തരും ഓരോരോ സ്ഥലത്ത് തനിത്തനിയെ അല്ല സെലിബ്രേറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. They are coming together and they are enjoying. They are having fun and they are very happy and they are celebrating it together. Okay, this event is called the festival, and festivals can be of different types. What are the types of festivals? Yes, we will see what are the different types. Festivals are divided into 3: religious festival, national festival and harvest festival. Festivals celebrated by a group of people belonging to the same religion are called religious festivals. So people belonging to the same religion. Okay, people belonging to the same religion, when they celebrate some festival, it is called religious festival. And festivals celebrated by all people belonging to the same country are called national festivals. When all the people of the same country celebrate a festival together, then it is called a national festival. And the last one is harvest festival. Festivals that are celebrated around the time of harvest in a particular region are called harvest festival. So in particular region, group of people together celebrate this festival during the time of harvest. ഹാർവെസ്റ്റിൻ്റെ സമയത്ത് അതാത് ഭാഗങ്ങളിൽ അവർ സെലിബ്രേറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്ന ഫെസ്റ്റിവൽ, അതിനെയാണ് ഹാർവെസ്റ്റ് സമയത്താണ് ഈ ഫെസ്റ്റിവൽ സെലിബ്രേറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. അത് ഓരോരോ റീജിയനിൽ ഓരോരോ സമയത്തായിരിക്കും. ഇൻ തമിഴ്നാടു the harvest festival is during the month of January. What about in Kerala? Yes, the harvest festival is during the month of August or September, and we celebrate it as Onam. Same way, in different parts of India, a different group of people celebrate the harvest festival based on the period they do the harvest. Okay, I think now you are clear about the 3 types of festival, that is religious festival, national festival and the harvest festival. Now we will discuss in detail about each of these festivals and how it is celebrated. Okay? You can take page number 4. We will start with religious festival. Let us look at some of the important religious festivals celebrated in India. We have many religious festivals that is celebrated in different parts of India, and we will be discussing one by one. The first one that we are going to discuss is about Ramadan. Okay, that is, what is Ramadan? Ramadan is the 9th month of the Islamic calendar. So Muslims follow Islamic calendar. So it is the 9th month. Ramadan is the 9th month. നമ്മുടെ ഇപ്പം നമ്മൾ യൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്ന കാലണ്ടറിൽ നമ്മുടെ 9th month എന്താണ്? That everybody know, it is September. Same way in Islamic calendar, the 9th month is the Ramadan. Okay, the Islamic calendar is used by Muslims to determine the days on which important Islamic occasions must be observed and celebrated. So this Islamic calendar is used to determine the occasions and the time when these celebrations should happen. എപ്പോഴാണ് ഈ ഒരു ഫെസ്റ്റിവൽ അബ്സർവ് ചെയ്യുന്നതും സെലിബ്രേറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നതും എന്ന് നമ്മൾ നോക്കാനായിട്ട് യൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്ന കലണ്ടറാണ് ഇസ്ലാമിക് കലണ്ടർ. Ramzan is spent in fasting and prayer. Everybody know that during the month of Ramzan, people used to fast. At the end of the fasting, they do prayers and then they break the fasting by gathering together and having food together with their family. So Eid ul-Fitr is celebrated at the end of Ramadan. This festival encourages sharing and charity. So Eid ul-Fitr is celebrated at the end of the 9th month, that is the Ramadan, and this festival is giving importance for sharing and also charity. Charity പറഞ്ഞാൽ എന്താണ്? ഇല്ലാത്തവർക്ക് പാവങ്ങൾക്ക് നമ്മൾ കൊടുത്ത് സഹായിക്കാം. This festival mainly emphasis on sharing and also charity. You can see the picture of people doing prayer at the mosque. How it is celebrated? Yes, during the month of Ramadan, most Muslims do not eat or drink anything between sunrise and sunset. Sunrise തൊട്ട് sunset വരെ അവർ ആഹാരം കഴിക്കാറില്ല, വെള്ളം കുടിക്കാറില്ല, അല്ലേ? That is the one. അതിനെയാണ് നമ്മൾ ഫാസ്റ്റിംഗ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. Okay, they eat food and drink water only before sunrise and after sunset. Before sun rises, they have their food, and after the sun sets, they again have their food. In between this time gap, they won't eat or drink anything. This is how they do fasting. This is called fasting. The fast is broken on the first day of the month after Ramadan. This day is celebrated as Eid ul-Fitr, or the festival of breaking the fast. So when the Ramadan month ends, the next day they break this fast, and this day is celebrated as Eid ul-Fitr. The other name of this Ramzan or Eid ul-Fitr is, actually what this means, this festival means festival of breaking the fast. They do fasting throughout the month and they are breaking the fast at the end of this Ramadan month, and the next day at the next day, that is the first day of the next month, is celebrated as Eid ul-Fitr. You have a small activity in the next page, activity number 7.2. An important aspect of the whole month of Ramadan is zakat. This involves giving money to those in need. This is to ensure that everyone joins the celebration and enjoy the happy occasion. Mention one way in which you could help someone in need. mention one way in which you could help someone in need while you are celebrating a festival. So this you can write it of your own. ഏതെങ്കിലും ഒരു ഫെസ്റ്റിവൽ സെലിബ്രേറ്റ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് ആരെങ്കിലും സഹായിക്കാൻ പറ്റിയിട്ടുണ്ടോ, ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ അത് ഏത് വിധത്തിലാണ് എന്നുള്ളത് നമുക്ക് ഇവിടെ എഴുതേണ്ടതാണ്. യു ക്യാൻ ഡു ദിസ് ഓഫ് യുവർ ഓൺ. ഓക്കെ. ഇൻ ദ മന്ത് ഓഫ് റമദാൻ people give lot of charity. എന്താണ്? പാവങ്ങൾക്ക്, ഇല്ലാത്തവർക്കും പൈസ കൊടുത്ത് സഹായിക്കും ഈ ഫുൾ 1 month. സോ സെയിം വേ നമുക്ക് ആരെങ്കിലും സഹായിക്കാൻ ഇങ്ങനെ പറ്റിയിട്ടുണ്ടോ എന്നുള്ളത് ആലോചിച്ചിട്ട് ഇഫ് യു ഹാവ് ഹെൽപ്ഡ് someone you can write about that occasion in the space provided here. Okay, the activity that we discussed is very simple. You can do it of your own. So today we discussed about what is a festival and how the festival Ramadan is celebrated. Same way we can discuss about the other festivals in our upcoming classes. Okay, do all the activities that we discussed today. Take care of yourself. See you soon in the next video. Bye.